Good morning, students. Class 3rd, subject English Reasoning, chapter Odd Word Out, lecture 1. Students, today we will discuss about the topic Odd Word Out. Odd word out, there are 4 words in each group. One word in each group is different from the rest. In this topic, there will be 3 words have same common properties, while one is different from the 3. Let's start. Find out odd word from the following. Question 1. Body, hand, leg, foot. Option A, body, B, hand, C, leg, and D, foot. Students, in the options, hand, leg, and foot are the parts of body, while body contains the rest of 3. Hence, right answer is option A, body. Question 2. Water, juice, food, milk. Option A, water. Option B, juice. Option C, food. And option D, milk. Now, students, in the given option, water, juice and milk are the liquid part of food, while food contains all type of food items, that is solid, liquids. Hence, odd word is food. So our C option is correct. Classwork. Question 1. January, November, July, August. Option A, January. Option B, November. Option C, July. And option D, August. Students, in the given months, January, July and August has 31 days, while November month has 30 days. Hence, odd word is November is right answer. The second question, parrot, crow, pigeon, bird. Option A, parrot. Option B, crow. Option C, pigeon. And option D, bird. Students, in this question, parrot, crow and pigeons are the name of particular bird, while bird is common word for all birds species. So right answer is option D, bird. Question 3. Pen, pencil, marker, whiteboard. Option A, pen. Option B, pencil. Option C, marker. And option D, whiteboard. Students, in the given options, pen, pencil and marker are the items used to write down, while whiteboard is the item which is used on which the 3 items are applied to write. So our correct option is option D, whiteboard. Question 4. Tailor, helper, carpenter, barber. Option A, tailor. Option B, helper. Option C, carpenter. And option D, barber. Students, tailor, carpenter and barber are the persons who are expert work in their field, while helper only assist the others in their work. Hence, option B is right answer. Helper is correct answer. Homework. Question 1, 3, 5, 6, 9. Option A 3, option B 5, option C 6 and option D 9. Question second, happy, jump, walk, swim. Option A happy, option B jump, option C walk and option D swim. Question third, dog, horse, cow, tiger. Option A dog, option B horse, option C cow and option D tiger. Question 4, kingfisher, peacock, cock, cat. Option A kingfisher, option B peacock, option C cock and option D cat. Thank you.